Rainer, hi.
Hey Louise, how are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Day number 2 at Formnext. How was your first day?
Yeah, the first day was really great for us. Such an important show for additive manufacturing group, and we had lots of exhibitors here this year.
Yeah, it's a new record. It's over 850 exhibitors in 4 halls, so it's really became a large show. It's a new record for this show. The visitors was really interesting, wasn't it?
We had a lot of visitors yesterday, and from all different sectors. So we've had visitors from aerospace, from medical, consumer electronics. We've had a lot of conversations yesterday.
Yeah, also with the other OEMs, the conversations we had and discussions, we got a really helpful insight into the market, how it's developing, in which countries, which project. So what was really interesting to us, yeah, very positive. But also our exhibits and what we're doing, very good feedback. On our parts here, the copper part, you know, we got really positive
really
feedback, very interesting part. So should we have a look at the Ultra around the corner?
Yeah.
This year we really have a great highlight at the show. The Ultra is received so well.
Yeah, we really do. So the Ultra is the newest member of the Renishaw 500 family. So we already have the most productive system on the market, and now we've just gone one better and increased that even further.
A good sign is really that all our competitors have been here and
talking
spotted
about
it immediately.
Yeah.
So that's a compliment, I would say, to you and your team, to the work you did here really well.
Yeah, so the main thing that they're here to see is what we're calling the Tempest technology.
Yeah.
So really focused on productivity and able to reduce your build times by up to 50%.
I think the cost per part is really still the main driving force in this technology.
Absolutely. So that is definitely something we see as the main barrier, but now we're addressing it.
What I really like is that our visitors, they recognize the advantage themselves. You don't have to explain anything. They go, they look at it, they immediately understand.
Speaks for itself.
Yeah, it speaks for itself. That's really fantastic. I'm really looking forward. We have more leads than ever at this show in the first day. It's really fantastic. Oh, look, here is Dan from Atherton Bikes. Hey Dan, how are you doing? Good to see you.
Hi Dan, hi. Yeah, nice to see
Hi
you.
Scott, how are you?
All right, yeah,
Hi
good,
Scott,
thank you.
nice to see you.
When did you arrive?
Oh, we got in last night. Yeah.
How do you like the show?
Yeah, it's huge. It's really eye-opening, but it's great to have a presence here on the stand. It's really good.
You're using additive manufacturing to produce your bikes and design your bikes. What do you like about the technology?
Yeah, the technology is amazing. It gives us a lot of freedom to design kind of internal structures and optimize the performance of the parts. And whilst also giving us a lot of kind of variety and the freedom to make different sizes, and we can kind of cater to a lot more riders because of the flexibility of that. So
Yeah,
it's a really
I
good
crashed my
process.
bike last week, so we have to measure my size, you know, to make it fit. So.
Yeah, well, we can get the order in, no problem at all.
That's good. Thanks. I think this story is really good story. We got great attention here at the show to it. It's a nice application.
This is a great application for us, because it looks so brilliant visually, but also because it's such a relatable application for so many people. It's great.
Yeah, I mean, that bike up there is the world's fastest bike officially, World Championship winning bike. So yeah, no, it's great to have done that with a British rider, with a British bike and British engineering. So yeah.
That's really impressive. I have to say the Dolomite video, you know, riding this bike, the people love it.
Yeah.
You know, they really love it. And I think that's really a good story. We like this product. Thanks a lot
No worries.
for coming along. I'll see you later on. You take care.
Bye.
Emilia, can we have 2 espresso, please? Thank you very much. Yeah, this is really a great show for us.
Yeah.
And I think our team did a fantastic job.
Definitely. I think these kind of exhibitions are a really good example of where the whole team has to come together to make it happen. So
I mean, obviously the technology team, the application guys setting it all up, and I have to say the Ultra, it's a fantastic performance.
yeah, and the marketing team as well have done a great job pre-show and here. So, and all together has come to a live demo, which is really
also
good.
the teamwork started on Monday, obviously with our joint meeting to come together with the salespeople, with the service people. I think we have a fantastic team, and this is outstanding here. I'm very happy.
Yeah. Very proud.
All right.
Cheers.
Thanks for this. Cheers.
Cheers.